Greetings, alchemist. In this guide, I will show you how to use Alphatrace. Alphatrace is a tool that can be used to analyze and track wallets on the Ethereum chain. It is also possible to get notifications on Telegram. To access all the features, simply log in with your desired method. To analyze wallets, simply paste the address in the box that say, "Enter address here." Underneath the search bar, we find profitable wallets that give us the possibility to find wallets without doing additional research. Let's click on one to find more information. To get full access, we need an invitation code. Simply use the one that is shown. If the code does not work, simply use the method underneath to find an invitation code. In the top left-hand corner, we see the win rate of the wallet in percentage. To get a bigger picture of, simply click on 30 days. That is a good long-term indicator. We also see what tokens that have contributed to the profit. We also see what the tokens the wallet owns. Scroll down to find the active trades of the wallet. Scroll down further to see the profit and loss of all the tokens traded and the tokens that the wallet is currently holding. In the top bar, we find information about the amount of money the wallet is holding, how much they have made, and how much unrealized profit the wallet have. To add the wallet to the watch list, simply press the start in the top left-hand corner and add to desired watch list. Hover the mouse to the left bar and click on the watch list. This specific watch list is for tokens. I will show you how to set up a watch list for a wallet in a few minutes. Hover the mouse to the menu and click Positions. Here we find the tokens that you own wallet hold. Currently, I'm not holding any tokens in this wallet, but this is where you find the holdings of your own wallet. Next, hover the mouse to the menu to left and click Explore. Here we find a longer list of profitable wallets. Click on one to find more information. Next, hover the mouse on left-hand menu and click Alerts. To set up alerts on Telegram, click Activate and connect Telegram. Open Alphatrace in Telegram. Click Start. Now it is activated. Now go back to Alphatrace. Currently, the version you are using does not support alerts yet. but eventually when it comes you will find the information here. Now, hover the mouse the menu in the left and click Create New List. Click Wallet Overview and write the name of the list and add a wallet. Then simply click Create. Alchemists, now you know the basics of Alphatrace. It is a good tool to see and track other wallets' portfolio, and specifically your own. When sniping, or if you just want to see how much money that you are making or losing trading, this tool shows it. See you soon again, /Cryptonite.